This is one of the semi-venomous snakes, wherein commonly known as green wine snake, very slender, long snake. So this is young one, so which has not yet grown fully adult. So this, once it grows into adult, can measure up to 1 to 1.5 meter, maximum length being 2 meter. So it can grow up to 2 meter. But the peculiarity is distinguishing neck and a long wine-like body, so called as wine snake. So this is a particular snake having a larger scales on the head, being a colubridine, and a pointed snout or nose. You can see the nose and mouth, so which are pointed, usually having a diamond shaped head and large eyes, having transverse slit like a pupil, which is peculiarity of this particular wine snake, green wine snake. So this is about 2 to 3 varieties based on its color. So one is green wine snake, one is brown, and other one is black wine snake. So all are belonging to same class. When threatened, it can open its mouth wide, and a pink mouth can make people or prey afraid of it, and swells up its body to show or showcase its transverse black and white bands on the body, so which are very faintly distinguished when it is not threatened. So the same, this snake's belly scales are green in color with a distinct 2 white color longitudinal lines, which distinguishes the belly of this snake with that of dorsum of this particular snake. This snake has very long tail. You can see she is very long tail. So tail is usually differentiated from the cloaca. You can appreciate the cloaca. So from cloaca you can see long tapering pointed tail, so which is the peculiarity of this particular snake. And is a wine snake because it dwells in trees most of the time, being preys lizards or the birds, etc. And a very cool and shy snake. So there are so many misconceptions of this snake because of its aggressive nature. When it gets threatened, opens its mouth and tries to make the prey afraid of, and that is why people think, because it can extend its head and neck up to a feet or 2, so for that it is a misconception that the snake can directly hit into forehead of a person by standing erect. So that is because, I will demonstrate you. So that is because it can stand up on its belly for very long. You can see from tree to tree, when it wants to climb, can go or extend its belly very long enough to traverse from one branch to other. So that is the nature of this snake. Because of that misnotion is there. So today we are going to release this snake. So you cannot differentiate this snake when it is in the trees or vines. So it resembles like as if it is one of the vine or say a creeper. So that is why we call it as wine snake. See, it is disappeared into the vine, bamboo. Thank you.